Alright, let's put what we learned into practice. We're going to set up our first layer of security by defining a password policy. First, click on Account Settings on the left. Here you'll find Password Policy. Click on Edit. As you can see, you can either use the default AWS policy or create your own custom one. You have a lot of control here. You can set a minimum password length, require specific character types like uppercase letters, numbers and symbols, or even make passwords expire after a certain number of days, like every 90 days. You can also allow users to change their own passwords and prevent them from reusing old ones. This is the first crucial step to securing your account. Now for the second part, setting up Multi-Factor Authentication or MFA for your root account. This is the most important account you have, so you absolutely need to protect it. Now a quick warning, MFA is incredibly important, but if you lose access to your MFA device, you can get locked out of your account. So if you're not comfortable with this, just watch what I do. But if you want to follow along, you can delete the MFA device later. Okay, let's go ahead and add an MFA device. Go to your account name and click on Security Credentials. Now click the Assign MFA button. I'm going to name this one My Phone since that's what I'll be using. I'll choose Authenticator App because it's a virtual device, meaning it's an app on my phone. This is the list of apps that work well with AWS. I'll be using Google Authenticator. The next step is to click on Show QR Code. I'll open the app on my phone, scan this QR code, and it will add my AWS account to the app. Now AWS will ask for 2 different codes from your app to make sure everything is working correctly. I'll enter the first code and then the second code that my phone generates. And just like that, MFA is enabled. You can see it on the list of my security credentials. So how does this work in real life? I'll log back in now using my root account and my password. As you can see, after a successful password entry, I'm asked for the MFA code. I'll open my phone app, enter the code I see, and click Submit. And that's it. We're logged in. We just added a powerful extra layer of security to our account, making it much safer. I hope you liked this lecture. I'll see you in the next one.